Hello, and welcome again to Portuguese for Beginners. This is Lesson 5 of Course 1, and I am Filipa, your Portuguese teacher. In this session, we will start with a quick recap of the last lesson, which was all about colors and some other vocabulary. Do you remember? Okay, just repeat after me. Azul, vermelho, amarelo, verde, castanho, roxo, cor-de-rosa, preto, branco, cinzento, cor de laranja, mesa, cadeira, mala, livro, espelho, caneta. Very good. Let's move on. Today's lesson will be about food, or alimentos. You will learn some related vocabulary, from carbohydrates to vegetables and fruits. And in the end, you will find out how to order a complete meal. Let's begin. We start with hidratos de carbono. Hidratos de carbono. In Portuguese, the H is almost always silent, like if it was not there. It only produces some sound when combined with C, S or L. C, S or L. You will see some examples in the next lessons. Okay, and inside hidratos de carbono we have pão, pão, which means bread. And do you see the different accent over A? Well, with that, we produce a more nasal sound. It's not a, it's un. Pão. Pão. Okay, and we also have arroz. Arroz. Here you should notice that we have two R together and we have the sound R, R, instead of R. Arroz. And it also happens when we have two S together. Let's see. Massa. Massa. You read S. If you only had one S, you would say masa, but it's massa with two S's. And massa means pasta. And then we have batata. Batata. And we move on to protein, or proteína. Don't forget to put the stress on the I here. Proteína. We have ovo, ovo, and we have some different types of meat, or carne, carne. We have porco, porco, frango, frango, vaca, vaca, and peru, peru. And then to end the protein options we have peixe, peixe. In Portuguese, the X may have different sounds. In this case, is like C and H together. Sh, peixe. Okay, now the vegetables. Legumes. Legumes. Alface. Alface. Cebola. Cebola. Alho. Alho. L and H together form the sound L. Alho. Pimento. Pimento. Cenoura. Cenoura. Tomate. Tomate. Brócolos. Brócolos. Couve. Couve. And now the fruits, or frutas. Frutas. We have maçã. Maçã. And do you see that little sign under C? It is called cedilha, and it gains the sound S. Maçã. And as said before, do you see the sign over A? With that accent, A becomes an. Maçã. Maçã. Okay. And we have pera. Pera. And here it's the E that gains a different sound, a more closed sound. Pera. And well, this one is very similar. Banana. Banana. It's almost the same as in English. Ananas. Ananas. Morango. Morango. And uva. Uva. Okay, now you're probably getting hungry, but we're getting closer to the end. The drinks, or bebidas. Bebidas. We have água. Água. Leite. Leite. Chá. Chá. C and H together become sh. Sh. Chá. And café. Café. Some were not new, right? Water and coffee, I think we talked about that before. Okay, and we are almost finishing. Now the sweeteners, or adoçante. Adoçante in the singular version. We have açúcar. Açúcar. Notice the sign under C? S. Açúcar. Mel. Mel. Okay. Now, two more words to learn how to order a meal. You need to know quero. Quero. I want. And com. Com. It means with. Okay? Okay, now a little practice to consolidate today's session. In this case, you'll just have to introduce an option in the red categories, so you can order a complete meal. Let's do this. Quero in our carbohydrate. Com in our protein. E and you add a vegetable. Por favor, please. And the second one, quero, and you add a fruit. E, then a drink. And a sweetener. Por favor, please. Okay, let's see an example. You had many options, this is just one. Quero arroz com frango e brócolos, por favor. Quero banana e café com açúcar, por favor. Did you do something similar? If not, or if you still have some doubts, move on to the final review. We will go through all session. Just repeat after me. Hidratos de carbono. Pão. Arroz. Massa. Batata. Proteína. Ovo. Peixe. Carne. Porco. Frango. Vaca. Peru. Legumes. Alface. Cebola. Alho. Pimento. Cenoura. Tomate. Brócolos. Couve. Frutas. Maçã. Pera. Banana. Ananás. Morango. Uva. Bebidas. Água. Leite. Chá. Café. Adoçante. Açúcar. Mel. Quero. Com. Okay, wonderful. One more lesson done. Congratulations on your hard work. See you on the next one.